Hello, I am Mayor Treney Tweedy, and I want to take a few moments to check in with all of you. I know this is a difficult time as we all try to maneuver through this COVID-19 pandemic. Most of us have never experienced anything like this before, and hopefully we will never have to again. Our lives and the lives of our loved ones have been disrupted as we struggle to follow the important guidelines that the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention and the Virginia Health Department have told us are so very important in stopping the spread of this disease. I can't stress enough how critical it is that we continue to follow the rules of social distancing, washing our hands, avoiding touching our faces, staying home, and covering our mouths and noses when we cough. Today, March 30th, Governor Northam issued a statewide stay-at-home order. This means that all Virginians must stay home except in extremely limited circumstances. Individuals may leave their residence for allowable travel, including to seek medical attention, work, care for family or household members, obtain goods and services like groceries, prescriptions, and engage in outdoor activity with strict social distancing requirements. We now know, unfortunately, that we have cases here in Lynchburg, and we pray for the quick recovery of those in our community. That is why we must continue to take this pandemic seriously so we can flatten the curve of this disease and prevent its spread throughout the community. When we go to the grocery store, leave our families at home if at all possible. Our parks and trails are open. However, even when we are outside, we should not be gathered together in groups. Parents, please tell your teenagers this applies to them as well. I know when I was a teenager, I thought I was invincible too. But this disease is no respecter of age. It is the responsibility of all of us to heed the warnings and do what we can do to keep each other and ourselves safe. I encourage you to make use of reliable sources of information and not only rely on rumors or your best friend's social media sites. Websites like the Virginia Department of Health and the CDC have accurate, up-to-date information that you can depend on. I also encourage you to go online every Wednesday at 1 p.m. to the Lynchburg Regional Business Alliance website to watch a regional town hall meeting with experts from the business, educational, and health community. Lastly, I want to thank all of you who are doing your part to keep this community going. A special thanks to the medical community who are working on the front lines, putting yourselves in harm's way. The grocery store clerks and pharmacy workers, the people still working in the restaurants, our public safety personnel, the custodians, building maintenance staff, refuse and water utility workers, our social service workers, and everyone who is doing their part in the midst of adversity. Thank you. Remember, we will get through this together. You have our gratitude and our appreciation. Together, we are Lynchburg Strong. Thank you.